Life has just become boring since the lockdown. Every movie watching fan has seen a lot of movies and TV shows. From RDJ's Doolittle to Gal Gadot's Wonder Woman 1984, from Umbrella Academy to The Boys web series, there were so many awesome movies and series that we have consumed till date. But like me, if you're too bored with these regular movies and TV shows, then don't worry. Today I have brought you a list of 5 animated movies to watch right now. These movies are just more than cartoons which have a lot of emotion, action and drama. So hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav and today I'll talk about top 5 animated movies you should watch right now. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. Number 1. Soul. Disney's brand new animated movie Soul is just beyond anyone's imagination. That teaches us the value of life very well. If you are depressed and don't know what to do with the life, then you should definitely watch this movie. From the streets of New York to the great beyond, the movie gives lot of meaningful lessons to live the life. The story follows a middle school music teacher named Joe Gardner who seeks to reunite his soul and his body after they accidentally separated just before his big break as a jazz musician. Ever wonder where your passion, your dreams and your interest comes from? The movie gives a lot of motivation through its emotional connection. You should definitely watch this movie right now. Number 2. Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. The only superhero movie in the list. The movie is in the top 60th movie in the list of the most rated IMDb rating, surpassing great movies such as Avengers Infinity War, Endgame, Memento, etc. The movie is not a typical Peter Parker's movie, but it has the Miles Morales Spider-Man who gets in huge trouble when the Kingpin wants to spread mess in the earth doing multiverse thing, and then with the help of 5 other Spider-Mans from the multiverse, he will try to stop the Kingpin. Like other Spider-Man movies, here Miles too lost his someone close, foreshadowing that there are a lot of sacrifice of being a superhero. There's not only like jumping from one roof to another, but living own school life, girlfriend's drama, financial struggle and losing someone very close. Spider-Man always ends up losing someone, showing really how the life of a superhero is. Number 3. Your Name. The most romantic one in the list is also the most perfect in the list. The movie has everything extraordinary. From its animation to its storyline, everything is just awesome. The movie contains the life of 2 different teens, one living in the cities while other living in the village. But the main trouble begins as soon as they start exchanging their soul overnight and changing each other's role in a gender, that too without knowing each other. Like I said before, this movie is too much perfect. It has great animations, great dubbing and a mind-blowing twist at the end. I promise that if you watch this single movie, then you will automatically become an anime fan. It's okay if you didn't watch remaining 4 movies, but you should definitely give this movie a try. This will be worth watching. Number 4. I Want to Eat Your Pancreas. The second most emotional in the list. The movie is just like The Fault in Our Star, which has a girl living with the pancreas disorder, that too at the school-going age. The story contains an book-addicted boy who is just living in his own imaginary world without caring of the real world. But his life changes as soon as he meets Sakura, who reveals her secret of having disorder and will die in few days. The movie will make you more emotional from the start to end. It's a lot of fun to watch. If you are a fan of Fault in Our Star and Dil Bechara, then you must absolutely give it a try. Number 5. Grave of the Fireflies. The most emotional in the list, will definitely make you cry. The story contains the story of 2 siblings, Saita and Setsuko, who lost their parents in the 2 different wars. The movie showed the actual struggle of the wars taking place in Japan, and that too when they don't have parents. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in another awesome videos like this. Till then, bye bye.
Profesor. Profesor. Profesor.
Profesor.
Profesor.
Profesor. Profesor. Profesor. Sí, profesor.
El profesor. El profesor. El profesor. El profesor. El profesor.
Call me Professor.